In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Node.js and set up Claude Code on Windows. First, open your web browser and go to the official Node.js website. On the home page, click the download button, then choose the Windows installer option. Once the installer finishes downloading, open it. Follow the setup wizard all the way through. The default options are fine for most users. This will install both Node.js and npm, and add them to your system path so you can use them from the command prompt. If you already had a command prompt open, close it and reopen it after the installation so Windows picks up the new path. Next, head to the Claude website. Navigate to the section for Claude Code. Find the advanced installation page, then scroll down until you see the standard installation section. There you'll see a command that you'll need to run. Carefully copy that entire command to your clipboard. We'll paste it in a moment. Now let's verify Node.js is ready. Use the Windows search on your taskbar, type command prompt and open it. In the command prompt window, type node/v and press enter. You should see a version number appear. That confirms Node.js installed correctly and is accessible. With that confirmed, right-click in the same command prompt window to paste the command you copied from the standard installation section on the Claude site, then press enter. Let it run to completion. If you're asked to proceed or confirm anything, choose yes to continue. This step installs the necessary Claude Code tooling on your system. After the installation completes, open File Explorer. Create a new folder by right-clicking in your desired location and selecting New Folder. Give it a clear, memorable name, then open the folder. At the very top, click in the address bar, type cmd, and press enter. This opens a command prompt that's already pointed to your new folder, which makes organizing your work much easier. In this new command prompt, type Claude and press enter. If Windows shows a security or permission prompt, choose yes and continue. When the tool launches, type /login and press enter. This will open your browser to help you sign in and link your account to the CLI. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the login. To finish,